no spin cycle bliss, just rivers and rocks and a whole lot of grit. Early humans, they scrabble sand and stone, beat clothes on riverbeds, all alone. Romans stepped it up with public laundromats, full of scrubbing togas where the dirt was at. Fast forward to the 18th century, innovations call invention of the washboard standing tall. Scrubbing and rubbing, knuckles getting raw, but hey, it was better than the river's jaw. There came the first machines, hand cranked and slow, a wooden tub with paddles putting on a show. James King, Hamilton Smith, pioneers of the spin, revolutionizing laundry. Where do we begin? The 19th century roared with steam-powered might. Washing machines got bigger, shining bright. Rotary drums and agitators making clothes a delight, but still a far cry from the ease of push and ignite. Electricity sparked a change in the 20th century's dawn. Electric motors humming, a new era was born. Washers got automated with timers and dials, taking some of the struggle out of laundry trials. Mid-century marvels with spin cycles and rinse, detergents and softeners making clothes convinced. Top loaders and front loaders of battle for the best. Washing machines evolved, putting always to the test. Microchips and sensors in the digital age. Washers got smarter, turning a new page. Energy efficiency, water saving too. Modern machines doing what they gotta do. From river rocks to robots, the journey's been long. Technology's touch, making laundry strong. So next time you toss your clothes in the machine, think of the history, the progress unseen. From hand washing hardship to automated ease, the evolution of laundry. A story that will please, so let the machine do its thing with the word and click, while you relax and chill and do something quick. Rocks to robots, the journey's been long. Technology's touch, making laundry strong. So next time you toss your clothes in the machine, think of the history, the progress unseen. From hand washing hardship to automated ease, the evolution of laundry, a story that will please. So let the machine do its thing with the word and click, while you relax and chill and do something quick.